Okay, hello everyone. I love the video for the weekend, so that I'm the reason why. If anyone's wondering, how do I turn this song down? The audio is quite loud. There we go. So, a bit of the warship. So, got many things I can try. Let's go first and and it put the microphone in front of my mouth. Yay! Warship, British battleship, let's go. So we got two Langleys. It's gonna be great. A bit rainy, so haha. Oh look, it's a line. It's the traffic.
Action stations.
If you can't hear me for this audio, I'm sorry. It's quite a long game. So, a lot of actions, turning to broadside, slightly.
Good luck and fair seas. Let's give them a hard time. Affirmative.
Plane spotted. All these planes go to dirt. Oh, they're friendly, aren't they? Yeah, they're friendly. We're scouting ahead. I've been laughing. A bunch of the enemy aircraft flying into the port. Ships.
Enemy force detected.
Lucky, lucky, lucky.
Autopilot mode enabled. Autopilot mode disabled.
Let's try and not be massively spotted. Come on, cannons. Get in line.
Enemy cruiser sighted. Enemy destroyer detected. Enemy cruiser detected.
Ooh, I think he turned because he saw me.
Enemy aircraft carrier detected.
Get him. Ah, shite.
Enemy aircraft carrier detected.
Let's say this cruising speed, we don't want to be too much of a fast moving target, so the turrets could turn. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a massive lead.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Please tell me you haven't left me on my own here. Guys, just take a reload. Firing. Full speed ahead. Is that my ally? Oh god.
The ship is on fire!
long as I don't get torpedoed, I should be fine.
Problem solved, sir.
I don't get planes. Oh god. Come on, cannons. Get in line. Oh god.
Enemy cruiser sighted. The ship is on fire.
Oh god, incoming.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Come on. Fire all cannons. I'm being surrounded here.
Starboard. Torpedoes to starboard.
Should be fine.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh god, that's so good.
Torpedoes astern.
I need this fixing. I'm being surrounded. Oh. That's a complete shame. We got pounded there. Oh, thanks, ally. Let's just have a look. Thanks for support. Thanks the entire team for holding up the side. There we go. Come on, attack. So this entire side was basically gonna get down O's. You should get torpedoed, mate. You guys just sunk your aircraft carriers and left them by themselves. And here it comes. They're all gonna miss, aren't they? Great goddamn shots. You missed all of them. Come on, shoot back. Try torpedo. He's got cannons shooting at you. He's torpedoed. There we go. Aha! What? God damn it, torpedoes.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Look at this, 2 squads eyeing up the enemy and I was video for 30 minutes up here, camera. So I've been quiet. Not much to say, I've been so good. Let's get another one, let's stop watching. Let's go to number 1. Let's do this German one because it's fun. Because unlimited firepower. So if you want to see more about the warship gameplay, like, comment, subscribe, even better. So much to say really. It's a game. Want to see more? Just do what you normally do in other channels. Loading up. And the best thing about this game, it's free! It's fully free, so just go on the World Warship website. You can get the game, put your email address in, you've got a free game. To honest, at first I had a little glitch where I couldn't see any of the menus, so if you have that, just wait a while. And I made a bit of a while, but then you should get it. And the bus bus is in the middle. So, it's a very good game, indeed. Might see if we get track on it, don't know. I think we have to do some special stuff for that. Don't know. However, let's go. Oh, crack. Oh, cracking knuckles there. Oh. Knuckles cracks. So, if no one knows what I mean as this firepower, this ship basically can constantly fire, constantly. It reloads quicker than you can shoot it, almost. So I'm on this borderline, so I'm saying I'm going to take the outskirts. Let most of the battleships do the work. Such a lovely ship.
Battle starts.
As you can see, this has got quite a few turrets on. Looks, I should say, not turrets. 3, 2, 1. Unlimited firepower! Very, very lots of firepower. So this will be fun. Very fun indeed. So 1.5 seconds to reload. Basically, I can constantly fire shells. And that's the best part. Bang, 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 bang. Second, bang, 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 bang. Second, bang, 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 bang. And because they've got HE, they should set ships on fire. Haven't spotted them yet. People playing Gold Rush. Surprise! Surprise! Enjoy the eternal flame. Did I get it? Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, I did. I got one.
Enemy
Yes.
cruiser foundered.
That was an elite battle.
Team is taking the lead.
Oh, this poor little destroyer is getting pounded. Cruiser here.
All stations reporting the
Cruiser's
position
taking a
of
bit of hit from a
strategic target.
battleship. Battleships are full broadside. Look at you. Oop. We've got fire from another ship here. Oh, this poor little cruiser.
The enemy warship.
Got no backup. just being pounded from almost all sides. Oh! That is a sneaky destroyer of the half. Where is he? The little destroyer. He's in the smoke zone because this guy's got torpedoed. Oh, there he is. The guy hiding. Oh, that's a decent hit. And now he's over the mountain. Shit, it's gonna get. Oh, it's gonna be a ram. No, it's not gonna be a ram. It's gonna. Torpedoes out. Oh, this is gonna look good. It's looking good. Oh, he broke off. Broke off, and that couldn't save him. For 21 minutes. What my battle will do. What my battle this video will end. So hope you enjoy the content. Sorry if you got it in my voice. This is a loud game. Russian, American. Can we actually get a new ship? We need 70 more research. Let's take the Russian thing for a spin. We've got torpedoes at least there. With the Russian firepower. This should end quickly, knowing me. Wait, man, I think that's one of the lone battleships, or cruisers, or the high cruiser. Higher, or the highest. T for smoke. Straight away, battle plan. I'm going for that corner.
Autopilot mode enabled.
No, I'm going there then for the corner. I'm sneaking. Hopefully my game plan is to get some torpedoes off on the cruiser.
Battle starts.
Let's give them a hard time.
Let's have them load and let's rock and roll. And we should be good spotter. Oh, there's gonna be some concrete. You know what? They have obviously themselves away. Just in case everything's being smart, like me. Fire it.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Smoke generator started. Smoke screen set.
bad damage for me, but that should be assisting for people. So that guy just took a ship alone, and I almost took most of his health off. Anyway. And you know what, we're still winning. I have damaged one of the strongest ships. And oh look, here he is. There's me. Then I'll be sinking. I'm floating. Like beat booty. So I think this will be the end for this video. But first, let's get a ship. Purchase. Japanese. Those Japanese. Let's try looking at this ship. Oh, strange. Well, if we can't do that, we could get you. But you know what? I will. Purchase said ship. So, look at this mighty ship. So that's gonna be it for this video. So hope you enjoy and see you in the next one.